Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to make this healthier and super easy carrot fries. All we need here is carrots. Peel and cut the carrots into French fries. And after that, we are going to season our carrots. Add olive oil, garlic powder, salt, and ground black pepper. Then we are going to preheat our air fryer 400 degree to just about 4 minutes. And after that, we are going to spray the air fryer basket so that our carrots will not stick in it. Then just put our carrot fries into one layer. Cook the fries 400 degree to 8 minutes, but if you want it crispy, make it until 12 minutes. Here I'm just going to make it into 8 minutes. Halfway to it, I am going to shake the air fryer basket so that the other side of the fries will not burn. And after doing that, we are just going to return it and continue cooking. And finally, after 8 minutes, this is our carrot fries. It looks so good and way healthier. Now I am going to put parsley flakes, but this is just optional. You can add anything that you want, like maybe Parmesan cheese if you want. And this is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Any comment or suggestion are very much welcome. Just comment it down below and I will get back to you.